new smartphone gimbal is here, and this is Smart S2 from Aochuan. What's nice about Smart S2 is that it really sticks to all the essential features that you would want on a phone gimbal. The classic 3-axis design allows for unlimited shooting angle. And it also has upgraded 6.0 anti-shake algorithm that allows for great stability, which I'll show you in this video. Smart S2 is very easy to use. Once switched on, the panel shows all the status, and you can press the joystick to change from pan follow, lock mode and POV mode. And if you hold down the trigger button at the back, then you can go into go mode. Now it's super dark, but no worries because there is light in Smart S2. So for me to use it in selfie, I've actually turned my smartphone into this kind of orientation, but I guess you can use the light when you're actually shooting some other subject with some cameraman with the gimbal. But in my case, I'm one woman studio. So here we go. I'm just gonna press the power button quickly once for the light. Ooh, it's so bright. Now you can see the light is really helping to actually correct the white balance, even with the purple light in the background. And also if you press one more time the power button, then the light gets really bright. Oh, it might blind me, but I'm testing it out for you guys. How does it look like? And another one. But all I want to show you guys is how strong this fill light is, which means you have absolutely no problem in shooting outdoor in the dark and also shooting indoor. You can take Smart S2 everywhere. Smart S2, I think it's really built for self-vlogging, outdoor and so on. Why? Because there is 19 centimeter extra length in this gimbal. And if I go 1, 2, 3, then you see it now turns into selfie mode, and I can use the joystick to put it down. Perfect. Hi guys, so I'm inside a mobile phone, and don't you think the framing is really nice? Because without 19 centimeter, then I think it will be actually too near my face, usually like this. So this is the framing without selfie stick. Maybe, I can actually use the tripod, then it is much better. But if you want to get as many people as possible, then this is what you can get. Can you see how many faces you can fit in the frame? And also Smart S2, it does have a slot for my wireless microphone. So for vlogging, I do use this microphone that actually internally record on the transmitter. And usually in a quiet place like here, the smartphone does a good job of recording my voice. But in a noisy area, you might want to have transmitter, which you can of course have it like on your scarf or near your face. But here is actually not a bad place to put in, and you can go around in full circle. So you can have it directly facing your mouth. You can capture the best voice possible. Now I'm back to the standard mode, not the selfie mode. So in the standard mode, I think many of you guys will want to actually use the vertical mode. So what you need to do, hold horizontally, just like here, and then trigger button once. And yes, now it's in the vertical mode. So this vertical mode is really handy when you're moving in and about. You have a cameraman behind you following you around, quickly want to switch from horizontal to vertical. So just trigger button once, horizontal, and then trigger button once more, then it goes back to vertical. What about the vertical mode on tripod? Just flip the phone holder to the other side. So in this selfie mode, because it's upgraded, absolutely no obstruction and gets the perfect selfie mode with a simple trigger button 3 times. Now I'm in the selfie mode, let's get inside the app. So hey guys, so right now I'm inside the app, and inside the app of course you can do tracking. So let me actually just quickly track my face, pressing the button here with the smiley face, and I'm gonna say face object, and it instantly recognizes my face. The app is excellent at tracking my face. So I'm inside the app, and I'm actually gonna change into body to really show you how great the tracking is. So it's try to figure out the wider area, and I've got the gesture mode on. So I'm gonna start recording. Excellent. And I don't need to then face the camera. I can sort of run around and it's following me, right? Wow, The tracking is great.
And show the palm to stop recording.
So here, let me show you the inception mode, because Smart S2 has endless 360-degree panning. So it can go 360, 720, etc. and etc. Once I start pressing this red button, it will actually continue. But the thing with inception mode, you have to actually hold it horizontally, and then the inception mode is kicked in, and I don't need to actually touch the joystick. It just does it. The app just does it for you.
Smart S2's authentic 3-axis design allows unlimited shooting angle, and it allows for super low angle shooting. And in Aochuan app, there is professional filming mode, which is super wide frame, giving you the blockbuster feel within seconds. And also inside the app, there is follow focus and zoom.
So here, if I want to zoom right into the bark, something in detail, then what you want to do is use this focus wheel. So here, if I go right in, then I will move in and also change the wheel. Very smooth action, and you really get the minute detail. Then as you zoom out, then you want to change into wide angle, and of course this can be done with just a thumb movement. And here there's a zoom in all the way to 9 times, and then zoom right out, and all touch with the thumb button. So right now I'm inside the app, and there are so many different menus such as panorama, Hitchcock, etc. But if you want to go completely app free and still enjoy the movement of the gimbal, then there is an option.
First, long press this AB button, and first set the A location by quickly pressing the AB button, and then move the joystick in the panorama direction, and then set B location, and then triple press AB button, and you are set. I freed my hand, and then I can actually capture anything in panorama. In this instance, because I'm not in a very scenic spot, I will film myself walking from A to B.
The battery for Smart S2 is up to 20 hours, which is crazy, and I have been using this for several days to shoot this video, and it's still going very strong, including in the light as well. So if you want a reliable, steady smartphone gimbal that's great for selfie recording, then do check out Smart S in the link down below. And I'll come back with other interesting gadget reviews, so please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!